Installed a new microwave. However, I miscalculated here. I had measured down for a General Electric microwave, but unfortunately it was going to be until November 30th before I could even get one. So what we did is we took the grinder with a carbide blade on it and the vacuum, and we cut across here. And so now we're just gonna pop these pieces off like that. And clean it up a little bit. And then we'll pop on the mount bracket. All right. What about?
You have these holes to drill. So we need this hole, we have 3/8 hole there, 3/8 hole there, 1.5 inch hole there. So you probably do the same thing, take a punch. I take a punch of some kind. In this case it's just a, and then punch the locations.
Is it?
Yeah.
So it's a bit oversized, but
Go down now.
so you go that way, and that way you don't have a breakout. Okay, so this thing is ready to go. Mitch is just going to vacuum out the area. And then we'll slide the stove back in and we will be happy and done with it. Of course, I still got to do the vent. Try to lift. Now that should be an easy shot. Ready for me? Just put it in and get it up. Shove that up. No shit. No shit. If I remember correctly, there we go. Okay. So there. That was a nice fit. Popped right in. Mitch is doing the what? It isn't working. What?
You know what happens?
Oh yeah. Yeah, this thing sticks out a lot farther.
Yeah, I don't know if you do that one. Come on.
Down.
Excellent.
That's all it takes. Perfect. Perfect. God, that is low. I mean, this is lower than the old, because you know the old ones.
That's good
have
though.
a slope. It's got a slope.
This is good though. This one closer is better because it'll actually suck the the stuff.
Lift it up. It's on the drag right now. I'm gonna get that drag out.
There's one point where it's got a.
Yeah, it's right at the beginning.
30 inches is typical.
29.
You know what it is that it sticks out farther.
So we're looking at the microwave, and there's two things about the microwave that are different from other
The old one.
range top microwaves, microwave range hoods. It sticks out farther than they used to. Then also, they used to have a slope here that would come up a couple of inches. So we have 29 inches, the typical is 30, so we are within the tolerance of where the microwave is supposed to be, but it does look pretty low to the stove. It's 13 inches high. But the other thing too is that the back elements are like melting and warming, and the front elements are the hot ones. And so they are farther away from the unit. Everything underneath is metal, so I don't think there's going to be any heat issues. But another thing that's good about it is that being a little lower like that and sticking out farther, it will catch more smoke for when some people cook. Not when I cook, but when other people cook.
It's like when you cook pizza.
Except for when I cook pizza, but that's because the downstairs oven thermostat's not working, or the temperature sensor isn't working. So anyway, it looks pretty darn good. There you can see we have the stove, the microwave range hood, the fridge, the dishwasher, and then Mitch, but Mitch is not included. Mitch is extra. So there you go. We have this kitchen here with a very usable design in it. You've got your stove, microwave here, you've got your fridge here, and you've got your sink and dishwasher over here. So it's just a very good triangle to work in. Everything is within a one-step pivot. You got one step, one step, one step. Everything is close and very, very easy to use. So this is going to make a really good kitchen for whoever the lucky person that buys this house for $1 million is. Or at least that's the plan. Okay, so there you go. That is microwave installation. Next up is I have to custom build a duct for up here because it's got kind of a funky situation with the rectangle there and the 4-inch round hole. Unfortunately, all we could get was a 4-inch round hole. So I don't hear the fan.
That's the plug.
Oh, I thought you were doing the fan. Where's the fan? Right there. 3-speed fan. That's not too bad. That's very quiet. Okay. Okay, so you see that we have the stove is slid back into position. There is the electrical cord that's all in a good position there. And here you see this. That is the safety, the tip-over, anti-tip-over bracket. And a lot of people don't install that. And it's something that you really ought to install it, because the reason they came up with this thing is because a baby got on the door of an open oven and pushed down on the door, and the oven fell over and scooped the baby into a closed oven that was hot. And I don't know if it was killed or if the parents got it out, but you know that they usually come up with safety devices when freak accidents like that happen. So just something to consider, the anti-tip device for your range oven stove. Okay, hot safety tip for the day. Install your tip over bracket. Very easy to do.